back to my balcony garden, where I share another amazing episode about my plants. Hello, this is another garden update, and today I'm sharing the starfish Santaveria. Look at it all twisted up like an octopus. This is a beautiful plant right here. I'm going to have to repot this because I believe this plant needs some more room. And it has a companion, some of the watch chain. I just poked a little piece in there and this is how big it got. Watch chains are beautiful plants, but right today we're just talking about the starfish Santaveria. And this is a baby one, but it's several plants in here that I need to repot, and I'm going to do that. Let me show you a bigger one that used to be a baby, and it's really big now. Hold on. Here's one that used to be a baby, and it's really huge, and I had repotted it, and this is how big it got. And they can get bigger. Well, this update, yes, it's today, excuse me, it's about a starfish Santaveria related to the snake plant, mother's tongue. Yeah, but this is a gorgeous plant. It looks like octopus, and you call it a starfish because I guess it looks like a star too. As you can see his body. Beautiful color, lime green, got streaks in it. There's other information about it, but right today I don't have that. If you want to know something else about this plant, please do your research. This is just a small garden update about how big this plant has gotten since I repotted it. And I showed you the baby one. That's how small it used to be. And this looked like two plants. See the split in there? This is two plants. One in front of the other. And I need to repot this plant again. I need to sell some of these plants. But anyway, this is just another garden update. Thanks for watching. Until the next day.